Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today our goal is we're going to cook a chicken vegetable soup. And for our ingredients we have chicken breast sliced into cubes, boiled red bean, diced bell pepper, diced celery, 3 stalks of lemongrass, diced onion, minced garlic, mixed dried herbs, salt, cooking oil, and spinach. To start with, I have a deep cooking pan here, and first we have to turn on our heat into medium. Add in cooking oil, add in the onion, stir and let the onion caramelize itself. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Add in garlic. When the onion is ready and caramelized, add in the diced chicken. Just mix them well. Add in salt and the dried mixed herb. Cover and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the chicken now is getting brown. Now we have to add in the vegetable broth from the boiled red bean and add more water, 4 cups of water in it, so we have enough soup or broth. Mix and cover them until it's boiling. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add in our lemongrass. If you see, I cut the lemongrass into 2. Just mix a little bit. Cover until it's boiling. This time, our chicken soup is totally boiling. We have to add in our red bean, carrots, celery, and the bell pepper. Mix well. And cover until the vegetables are cooked. This time the vegetable is cooked and soft enough. We have to finally add in our spinach. And this time you have to turn off your heat. Prior to serve your chicken soup, we have to remove the lemongrass from it. Our chicken vegetable soup is now ready to serve, and for the exact measurement of the ingredients, please check the description below. Upon serving the chicken vegetable soup, I would like to sprinkle a little bit of ground black pepper and a grated parmesan cheese. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you will always get notified of my latest videos. Thanks for watching.